What is up, guys? Right now, we are going to play Mining Simulator. We are going... I'm saving for... Okay. Me and him had a little fight before because he scammed me. But he was going to give me some Robux. He told me to give me my password. I gave him a fake one, a fake account, a different account that I have that I have nothing on. To be honest, I forgot it. Okay, so we'll be playing Mining Simulator and giving away a few things. When we get on, I will show you what those things are. Alright guys, so we are here on Mining Simulator. I am Rebirth 20, not the best. Don't have many tokens because I always spend them. But here, let's see. I need 1 draft, 3 diamond, 2 obtain. Okay, so let's get our group benefits here. Then and let's see what we get. I don't need that. Alright. I'm doing YouTube giveaway. I'm doing YouTube giveaway. I do a raffle to give away. Alright, so we will start with 100 legendary hat crates. Alright, so let's get these names on here. And alright, something like this. Okay, so G, the R's are there. 1 R, so G R D L I'll just put L14. N J too small. I 5 and the other L just left. Okay. Okay. I'm starting raffle. Okay, I'm starting raffle. Alright, I got them all in this little jar and I love design. I love design wins. If no respond, no get. Okay. J wins. Time it. 9 wins. Nine wins. People do not like to talk on this server. L. Love wins. Okay, next we'll now draw. Okay, next we'll now draw. Left the server. Alright. Great wins. Alright, so too late. It's too late. Next, I will now draw. Next, I will now draw. Yes. N wins. Alright, so let's send a trade to 9. I drew your paper from basket. Don't think I drew your paper from basket. Accessories, I will give him Alright, let's put all these pieces of paper back in. Okay, next. Read this. and wins. And wins again. When did you friend me? Didn't I leave? Oh well. I'll just see what love wants to do. What, you giving me free stuff? Huh? I'll just give you 5 of these, 5 of those. Except you now have 105. Anybody want rainbow skin? Sure. Alright, so my trades were glitched before, so let's see right now if I can. Quests. Thanks so much. Oh, you're so welcome. Yay, it's not glitched no more. 30 shovel ore and 1 rebirth. So I need a rebirth for her. That's a problem. Ooh, expensive sand. Oh, wow, that was quick. Let's go buy something. Wait, I went too far. Alright, guys. I'll see you in the next video. You have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you don't like it, dislike. And tell me what I could do better. Comment down below. Enter your username and what you want stuff on. Lumber Tycoon 2, Pet Simulator, or Mining Simulator, and I will do a giveaway, and I will give you that. Just make sure you smash that like button, smash that red subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Peace.